Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic is sentence. Sentence, jumla, sentences, jumle. So what is the definition? The definition is sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself. Mean it's a set of words and it complete in itself. Or we also can define it like this: a group of words which make complete sense is called sentence. Or we also can define it like this: a combination of words that gives a complete meaning, thought or idea is called a sentence. The meaning of these three definitions are same. Means sentence is a set or group of words which gives us complete meaning, complete thought or complete idea. Such as I like my school. So it's a complete sentence. If we see these sentences, I go to garden daily. It is also a complete sentence. Mean where am I going? Going to garden daily. Baby drinks milk. Baby, what baby is drinking? Baby drinks milk. So it's a complete sentence. Aisha takes tea. Aisha takes what? Aisha takes tea. Hassan is playing. What Hassan is doing? He is playing. So all these four sentences gives us a complete sense, complete thought. So we will call them sentence. If we see here, I drink. I drink what? So it's not a sentence. They play. They play what? Sana rides. Sana rides what? So these are not sentences. We don't call them sentences. Sentences are complete in itself. They give us complete meaning. And one more thing, sentences have full stops at the end. Sometimes they have question marks. Sometimes they have exclamation marks. I like my school. It's a simple sentence, so we add here full stop. Are they friends? It is also a sentence, but it is a question sentence. Are they friends? So we add here question mark. He eats an orange. It is a simple sentence, so full stop. We are Muslims, full stop. She is not writing. It's a negative sentence. We also put here full stop, but here we add not. She is not writing. Why are you crying? It's a question sentence, so we add here question mark. Whether the sentence is negative or it is question sentence or it is a simple sentence, sentence is complete in itself. So we must see that the sentence is complete in itself. They give us complete meaning. And one more thing, sentence is a set of or group of words. I like my school. There are 4 words. Are they friends? These are 3 words. So the set of words, a group of words, a combination of words that give us a complete sense. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.